Have you ever thought about what it means to truly thrive? It's more than just feeling okay. It's about feeling your best, physically, mentally, and everything in between. This journey to a healthier, happier you is called wellness. Wellness is like a magical adventure, and we are the explorers. It's about taking care of ourselves so we can live life to the fullest. Just like a car needs fuel and regular checkups to run smoothly, our bodies and minds need the right care to thrive. When we prioritize wellness, we have more energy to do the things we love. We're more resilient when challenges arise, and we can build stronger relationships with ourselves and others. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Imagine a treasure chest filled with the secrets to a happier, healthier you. Now, picture 7 keys, each unlocking a different dimension of your well-being. These are the 7 dimensions of wellness: physical, emotional, intellectual, social, spiritual, environmental, and occupational. Each dimension plays a crucial role in our overall wellness. Just like a jigsaw puzzle needs all its pieces to be complete, we need to nurture each dimension to truly thrive. Let's explore these keys and discover the treasures they hold. Remember, these dimensions are all interconnected. When you improve one area of your life, it positively influences the others. For example, regular exercise not only benefits your physical health, but also boosts your mood and reduces stress levels, impacting your emotional well-being. Physical wellness is about taking care of our bodies. This includes eating nutritious food, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep. Think of it as fueling your body with the right ingredients for it to function at its best. Emotional wellness is all about understanding and managing our emotions. It's about feeling our feelings fully, coping with stress in healthy ways, and developing resilience to bounce back from challenges. Intellectual wellness encourages us to never stop learning and growing. Whether it's reading a book, learning a new skill, or simply engaging in thought-provoking conversations, keeping our minds active is essential. Social wellness highlights the importance of connecting with others and building meaningful relationships. Spending time with loved ones, joining a club, or volunteering in your community are great ways to nurture this dimension. Spiritual wellness is about connecting with something greater than ourselves. It's about finding purpose and meaning in life, whether through religion, nature, meditation, or acts of service. Environmental wellness involves being mindful of our surroundings and making choices that benefit our planet. Recycling, conserving water, and spending time in nature are small steps that can make a big difference. Occupational wellness is about finding fulfillment and satisfaction in our work. It's about using our skills and talents to make a positive impact while maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Remember, wellness is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs along the way, but the key is to keep moving forward. Start by focusing on one small step you can take today to improve your well-being. Every little effort counts towards creating a healthier, happier you. So embrace the adventure, unlock your full potential, and live your most vibrant life. Thank you for watching. For more content, please like and subscribe.